Uh-oh. We're gonna have to do it again. I'm sorry.
Oh, damn it.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Just do it again. My fault. I pushed the wrong button.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Okay, hit it.
Okay. Go. Okay, my name's Chris Bond, and today we're going to talk about a split system and how you know which component it actually is. So you have an air handler up in the attic, which will be in your apartment or your house, and then you'll have a condenser down here on the ground. So if your fan's running but it's not cooling, and that's a perfect example. If this isn't running while you're calling for colder air up in your house, then you know that the problem consists down here, down at your condenser.